Hello student, from today's lecture we start the chapter number 4 of Advanced Java Programming, and the chapter is Networking Basic. The chapter weightage is 10 marks. So in this chapter we study the networking classes up to third lecture. In first two lecture we study the designing of various application forms and various components. Then in third chapter we study the event handling, and now the fourth chapter is networking basic. When we design any application, it is very important to to connect the application with internet or networking. So in nowadays many application that are designed for online purpose or which are always used in the networking. So first in this video, the learning outcome, first we see the Java networking and then we see the Java networking terminology. So these are the learning outcome of today's video. So let's start with Java networking. The Java networking is a concept of connecting two or more computing devices together so that we can share the resources. So basically, this is the networking definition, and it is the concept of connecting two or more computing devices in some network so that we can share the resources. Java socket programming provides facility to share the data between different computing devices. So remember these things. Networking, computer network is another part. It is the hardware part. In Java, we study the various classes regarding the networking. Okay, so socket programming is the topic which is very important when you study the networking, Java networking, and the the subject which you study in previous semester, that is computer network, that is totally related to hardware, and some software also required to perform the networking that we study in this chapter. Some advantages of Java networking: first is sharing resources, and second one is centralized software management. So these are the some advantage of networking, Java networking. And remember one point: socket is one class in Java, and that is very important. And the brief description about socket class we study in this chapter. This is basic about Java networking. Next, we see some Java networking terminology. First terminology is IP address. All of you know the every computer have some IP address. Okay. So IP address is a unique number assigned to a node of the computer. So every computer have some unique IP address, and IP address is maybe two type, is static IP address and dynamic IP address. Dynamic IP address can be changed and static IP address cannot be changed. Static IP address is provided by internet service provider, and dynamic IP address we can set according to our use. Just example of IP address is 192.168.0.1. Okay, so it is composed of octet that range from 0 to 255. Okay, so this is first terminology of Java networking. It is the logical address that can be changed. Okay, so we can change, as I say, dynamic IP address. We can change the dynamic IP address. Second protocol or second terminology is protocol. Protocol is a set of rule basically that is followed for communication. Just simple basic definition of protocol. Protocol is the set of rule which are follow for the communication. The basic or examples of protocol is TCP, FTP, Telnet, SMTP. These all are the various protocol. UDP, HTTP. These are also protocols. Okay, so it is also one terminology in network. TCP, simple TCP means transmission control protocol, which is used in the transmission. Every protocol have some fixed used. So TCP used in the trans. The abbreviation of TCP is Transmission Control Protocol. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, Telnet, and then last one SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. These are the few examples. There are many protocols. Next terminology is port number. The port number is used to uniquely identify different applications. It acts as a communication endpoint between the application. Okay, so port is hardware port also there, but port and every protocol having some its port number, fixed port number. The port number is associated with the IP address for the communication between the two applications. So port number is associated with the IP address. Then next terminology is MAC address. MAC address, the MAC address is the media access control address, is uniquely identifier of NIC. NIC means network interface card. So every electronics device have some MAC address. A network node can have multiple NIC, but each with unique MAC. So there are many devices used in the networking, and every electronics device have its unique MAC address. Remember this point. Next terminology, connection oriented and connection less protocol. So the protocols are classified into two types. Some protocols are connection oriented and some protocols are connection less protocols. Let me see. In connection oriented protocol, acknowledgement is sent by the receiver. So simple, when we use the connection oriented protocol, acknowledgement means some message is sent after delivering the complete data. So it is reliable but slow. The example of connection oriented protocol is TCP. So TCP is the connection oriented protocol. Simple meaning of connection oriented protocol means if you send some file from one device to another device, after completion of the process, it sends some message to the message in return. The file is sent successfully. That is called as connection oriented protocol. Second type is connection-less protocol. In this type of protocols, acknowledgement is not sent by the receiver, so it is not reliable, but it is fast. The example of connection-less protocol is UDP. Then last terminology is socket. A socket is an endpoint between two-way communication. When the communication is two-way, that time the socket is the endpoint between the communication. And socket, I already say, socket is also class in Java. Socket and server socket are two classes we study brief in this chapter. So visit next page for Java socket programming as we see the brief in the next chapter. So remember this thing, socket is very large topic, that socket programming that we see in next lecture. So in today's lecture, we only see the basic about networking and some terminology about Java networking. Then we have some basic question. First question is dash is connection oriented protocol. Options are TCP, second option UDP, third option both A and B, and last option none of above. So as we see, the TCP is the connection oriented protocol. So option A is the answer. Second question, dash is an endpoint between two-way communication. Options are protocol, second option socket, third option port, last option none of above. So answer of this question is socket is an endpoint between two-way communication. Last question, IP address is unique address assigned to a node of the network. Statement is true, so answer of the question is true.